Hello guys, welcome today. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for the NF Audio RG15 Assassin's Creed Mirage earphone. A big shout out to NF Audio for being kind enough to send out this earphone for review. I will cover the earphone in a later date, but for now, I'll just show you guys an unboxing and what is in the box when you get your hands on this earphone. Now, this earphone is around about $100. This is how the box is like. So let me point the camera up so you see what you're getting in the box. It looks beautiful. To be fair, it looks beautiful. I would say I like this earphone a lot. At least the packaging looks nice. So let's begin. You open it up. You drag it out. You drag it out carefully. One thing I like about NF Audio, because to be fair, I've not really gotten anything from them. This is kind of like one of the first items they've sent directly to me. I like the packaging, honestly. I really love the packaging because when you look at this box, it looks like a CD player. It looks like a CD player, and you see what you get inside. I'm sorry guys that I messed this up, but this is the way the Assassin's Creed Mirage RG15 earphone looks like. It has the gold color finish to it. It looks gorgeous. I would say this thing looks excellent. It looks excellent. It looks amazing. It is something that a lot of audiophiles would like. So let me bring it out of its packaging so you see how it looks like. You will be impressed, to be fair. You'll be impressed, to be fair, with this model. It looks good. Let's keep this aside. So the cable you get with it is a Type-C cable. When I got it, I wasn't really into the whole Type-C thing, considering I use basically like 3.5 millimeter cable that can go to your DAC, amplifier, or even your smartphone. I'm filming this with an LG G7. If you know anything about the LG phones, generally they come with a quad DAC. For instance, I have the V50. So if you do have an LG phone, for instance, let me put this out here. If you have, this is a V50 phone, you would need to get another cable that can go into this 3.5 millimeter, which I have a lot in the house. So it was not an issue to plug this up. Sorry, guys. So basically, this is how the earphone looks like. Now, as for ear tips, this is what you get inside. Sorry, this is basically how you hold out hold out the cable. You don't have much issue with that. But this is the unboxing. This is the unboxing and what you can expect with the RG15. It looks nice. It looks good. It looks interesting. So if you already want to get your hands on a very good in-ear monitor, you can check this out, but I will do an in-depth review later for you guys. That will be very much later, but do subscribe to the channel, follow us here on our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys very much next time.